how's it going? My name is David DaCosta, and over the last 3 years, I've been able to quit my job and travel literally over 60 times and help so many other people around the world earn some extra income weekly and monthly working from home in the travel industry. If you're interested in an opportunity for you to save on your travel, earn money on the travel you, friends and family are doing anyway, click the link below or go to www.mrgotravel.com. I'm going to get you some information totally free. This is exclusive information from the professionals in the travel industry. You don't want to miss it. See you soon.